I'm Kyra Rusk, and for my EDCI 270 class, the theme that I chose was holidays across the United States. A few of the holidays I'm planning on talking about this semester would be New Year's, December 31st and January 1st, Martin Luther King Jr. Day, January 15th, Groundhog Day, February 2nd, Valentine's Day, February 14th, President's Day, February 19th, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, Easter, Independence Day or 4th of July, Labor Day, which is the first Monday in September, and Columbus Day, which is October 8th, and then, of course, Thanksgiving and Christmas, but I didn't get those added on here. The state standards that this fits in would be for kindergarten, first grade, and second grade. This fits with the history standards, and so for kindergarten, this standard it fits with 1.2, which they're identifying people, celebrations, commemorations, and holidays as a way of honoring people, heritage, and events. So I'll be able to use this to help teach them about the holidays and why we celebrate them and stuff like that. For first grade, it identifies people and events observed in national holidays and celebrations. So this will allow me to link the people that help create the holidays and why we celebrate them. And then for second grade, it identifies community celebrations, symbols, and traditions and explains why they are important.